Welcome, love. Let's sink in by connecting to the breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, inhale presence. Exhale pressure. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your body know you are safe. You are home. You are here. Feel the ground beneath you. This moment doesn't need anything from you. You can simply be. Imagine your body as a sacred temple. Not something to fix, but to tend to. Each inhale is a candle lighting itself in devotion. Each exhale clears the altar. You are walking barefoot through this temple. Each step leaves a trail of light, warm, gold, alive. You are arriving back home in your body, step by step, flame by flame. Now place your hand over your solar plexus, right beneath your ribs. This is your center of power. Breathe into it. Feel the heat rise and whisper with me. I am not afraid of my fire. I am learning to dance with it. See that flame inside your core, flickering, wild, sacred. Around it, words hover. Too much, not enough. Too late, not ready. Watch those words drift toward the fire. One by one, they burn. Sparks rise and dissolve. Your breath deeper. Your chest expands. Your ribs open. Say softly, these were never my truths. These were spells I outgrew. You don't have to fight your fire. Let it refine you. Let it turn the noise into knowing. Bring your awareness to your belly, the place you've been taught to hide, to hold, to shrink. Now inhale into it. Let your belly rise like a wave. Let your breath be seen, and whisper, I am allowed to take up space. I am beautiful in my becoming. Then move your hand to your heart. Feel its rhythm, the drum of your existence. Imagine a golden light expanding from your chest, rising through your throat, your jaw, your lips. You begin to glow from within. I am ready to be seen. I am ready to receive. I trust myself to stay. Let these words vibrate in your body. You're not auditioning for love. You are love, remembering her own reflection. Before you, a mirror appears, tall, luminous, alive. You see yourself exactly as you are now, not filtered or posed, just real and raw. Your hair, your skin, your softness, your scars. You, as the universe sees you. Look into your reflection's eyes. Hold the gaze, even if it trembles, and whisper, I see you. I honor you. I forgive you for the times you thought you had to hide. Breathe life into your reflection. Watch your eyes light up, your spine strengthen, your face soften. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from peace. Peace with what is. Peace with who you've always been. Now see yourself walking out of that mirror, whole, radiant, and embodied. The same you, but lighter. You walk toward a doorway. Sunlight spills through. Outside there's movement, life, connection. Not threat, just possibility. Step through, breathe in the new air and say with me, I no longer shrink to feel safe. I am safe to expand. I no longer chase love. I attract it by being who I am. I no longer hide my light. I lead with it. Feel that land in your body, in your bones, in your breath. Take one last deep inhale. Exhale completely. Hand on heart and whisper, I am my own safe place. I am radiant, grounded, and free. When you open your eyes, do it slowly. Carry this energy with you. You are not broken. You are becoming. You are safe to be seen. Namaste.